Hi, good afternoon. Today is 27 November 2022 and I'm standing in front of Frauenkirche. Frauenkirche, this is the biggest and most prominent church in Dresden. Now, पूरे Dresden city का सबसे बड़ा attraction है ये. This was built between 1726 and 1743. But the structure you see today, this is not the same. This was totally destroyed in Second World War, bombing of Dresden in 1945. Then they rebuilt it, and the rebuild started in 1994 and completed in 2005. So अभी का जो चर्च है ये 2005 में बना है structure, but it I think some portions of it ये पुराने ईंटों को ही यूज़ किया है. They have reconstructed exactly like what it used to be. So interesting, it's quite famous landmark, and it's a Protestant church. Initially it was Catholic, I read. Abhi ye Protestant ho gaya, and every Sunday there is lot of crowd of believers. If you can see, log line लगा के अंदर जा रहे हैं. So अच्छा है ये. इसका ऊपर जाने का भी tickets मिलते हैं, but that's not open every day. There are certain time slots. Obviously not possible on Sunday because Sunday it's prayer time, right? And जो आप भीड़ देख रहे हैं believers का for their prayer and gathering. Frauenkirche Church एकदम city के बीचों बीच, and everything else, the castle, the Zwinger, the opera house, they're all nearby. So if you have 4 or 5 hours in the city of Dresden, you can actually see all these prominent places. Now if you can see around, this is a Christmas market. This is a food market actually. Yeah, and there is another one nearby which we will go, where you have you can buy beautiful things, handmade things. Plus children have some rides, joy rides there. वो देखते हैं, जाएंगे. अभी तो ये just आए हम लोग. Frauenkirchen. What is that? I think ये भी part of Christmas market. Yeah, some toys, some puppets or something. Yeah. Okay, देखते हैं. So, as Christmas will approach, as we go near to Christmas, things will get more and more lively here. Of course, the weather will get a bit bad from now on. Last week we had snowfall, but this week it's quite comfortable as of now. Okay, so let me find out the other part of Christmas market. Okay. I think this portion of the Frauenkirche has been rebuilt using the older bricks, because its color is quite different from the other parts. Okay, फिर मिलते हैं. Let me join from some other landmark. Thank you.